I'm almost kind of thinking of just throwing this right in the back of my truck.
For what?
Scrap.
Dude, you can get it in the back of your truck, you can take it.
The one we're putting in is steel, and then it's, instead of it being thick like this with cast iron, it's thick like this with injected molded plastic. So it's
definitely a lot lighter.
Yeah, it's much lighter to work with, but it still has that dense sound to it. So when you're in the shower, it doesn't sound tinny.
Yeah.
If you ever stayed at like a cheap motel or a hotel or something, then you hear a tinny sound when you take a shower. Those are steel tubs. So the one I'm putting in is going to be a steel tub essentially with a insulated liner molded to it. So it gives it that dense sound. It's got a nice porcelain finish, and it's really well insulated to hold the heat when you take a bath.
Gerald, it's Halloween. You scared yet?
What?
Me.
Scared of you?
Yeah.
Sure, I'll be scared of you. Just for one day.
Look at Jack lifting with his legs. That a boy, Jack.
Use those knees.
Grab it too. Hold on. Let's tilt it back more and put more
Hold on, you want to tilt it back some more? We're not all the way on the drop block there.
There it is. You want it in the living room, right?
No, thank you.
It's a new couch, right?
You can put it on the front lawn. You can put plants in it.
I was just thinking the same thing.
Probably our best bet's going to be sliding it downstairs. Sliding it down, right?
Yeah, we're going to do it one step at a time.
Yeah. You're going to clear the railing here?
Yep.
So I'm right up against the wall.
You're just going to clear it. You just cleared it. Alright, you start standing it up. Yeah, I got plenty of room here.
The tub's staying where it is, right? Yeah. Not going anywhere?
Like Shawn Mendes?
Yeah, I don't know who Shawn Mendes is.
Oh my goodness. You don't know Shawn Mendes?
I've heard of him, but that's about it.
The singer? It's like a pop singer.
Yeah, I don't really listen to pop music.
Calvin is here?
Yeah. Bring your muscles, Kelvin.
I tried.
Try a little harder, because you're going to need it. This thing's a lot heavier than it looked.
It's cast iron, dude.
It didn't look heavy when it was sitting on the floor.
It always looks heavy.
So how do you want to do this, Eric?
Eric, is it better off the hand truck or no?
Probably
I
not.
don't think so. I think with the hand truck we could, with this
Ride
hand
the
truck we
stair?
could lower it down the stair each one at a time.
All right. Kelvin, get up here right next to me, buddy.
Which side would you rather have, Eric? You fine on that? Alrighty. Do we need to come more towards my side?
Oh, we're clear here. You're clear there?
Yeah.
All right.
Ready?
You guys are good there?
Yep, we're about to drop.
On the first.
Ready? Ready?
Ready?
Yep. Ready?
No, that one. Good, let's do it again. Bring it
Back up? All right.
Jack's our cameraman.
Oh, you're tilting it up?
Yeah,
I'm
Jack,
tilting it back.
This is 800 pounds going to roll down the driveway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What wheels in the van are going to come off the ground?
we ain't going anywhere.
I'm almost kind of thinking of just throwing this right in the back of my truck.
For what?
Scrap.
Dude, you can get it in the back of your truck, you can take it.
The best thing is when you go down to the scrap yard, you go over it with an electromagnet and turn it on, it goes boom, and it sucks it right out of the back of the truck. They did it in my truck years ago
That's
when I did
awesome.
my house. You're sitting in the truck and it's like, whoa, the weight comes off.
Wait.
Here, you got it. I'm gonna hop up there real quick. Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
And slam on the brakes.
It's coming through the front cab.
It will.
Yeah, she knows.
All right. going for a ride now.
Yep.
Jack is securing a stringer board that supports the back lip of the tub. Supports the weight of the tub and the water and people in it.
Gotcha.
Set that in the drain in the floor.
And then tighten up the lock.
Actually, before you do that, let me see that whole thing. This is the tub drain. Most people never get to see this part of their tub drain. This is the part that goes behind the tub. This is the gasket that seals against the overflow plate. And then this is where your strainer goes.
Oh wow, that's really just that's in the wall.
So this is all behind the tub. The tub sits on top of it. And the way the stopper works is right here. It's called the barrel waste. This little barrel down here falls into place here and blocks the flow of water. As you can imagine, the water goes down your drain, goes down the drain here, goes this way, and then goes out to the drain in the house. When the lever is flipped up, the barrel drops down into place.
Do it again.
And then when you trip the lever down, it pulls the lever up, allowing the water to pass through. There are different types that work with cables and other linkage that lifts the stopper. Sometimes there's a cable that runs internally and lifts the stopper. Some of the newer stuff. But this is a tried and true method that's worked for years, and I like it. Putting it so it lines up properly with the tub. If this part is too long, it pushes the overflow too far away from the tub, and then you don't get a good seal. It's a really common source for leaks. This music reminds me of what my father used to listen to in his car when we were driving around from job to job. I never thought I'd like it. Here I am listening to
I'm
it.
actually starting to grow a taste for it too. It's scary.
Okay. You're good.
Yeah, Jack.
It's raining. It's Halloween. The rain always makes me tired, so here we are yawning all day, but putting the tub in today, so can't complain about that. We got the heavy lifting done. It's a miracle we got it out of here. So we'll count our cards and I'll take the plastic bathtubs all day long. The cast iron ones, no, I'm good.
Do you know how much they usually weigh, or is
I have no clue.
I'm about to Google that?
I was trying to look on the bottom. It had like made in the USA and a bunch of numbers. I was trying to see if it had.
Take this with the glue and just gently place it on that drain, please.
That's enough caulk on it?
Yeah. I just wanted to hold it in place. It's not gluing it, it's just holding it there while we're working with this.
Take a few.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too. Come on.
It's Halloween. We got candy. I'm happy.
Is that how you're gonna do it?
Yeah, what I'm doing is moving this
Oh, it's on the fridge.
up higher,
Yeah.
so when it opens more.
soldering up the shower valve. I think that's the last thing we got left to do for this bathtub replacement, and then we should be all set. Nice. So. Why did we replace the bathtub?
Mostly because they wanted to update their bathroom. The tub itself was still functioning, but it was yellow, and it's kind of a little facelift for the bathroom. So it really, function-wise, it still worked great, but it was just time.